Welcome back, Foo family. I've got another tech unboxing for you. This time, it's the Zhiyun Smooth 4 mobile gimbal. Now they say this is going to be better for mobile filmmakers. As you can see, it's a nice white box. It's got a few bits of information here. It comes with, looks like the gimbal, a tripod, connection cable, and I don't know what this is, but we're about to find out. I don't know, I just want to open it, to tell you the truth. Let's unbox this. I don't really slam it. Let's cut it. It's not so easy to cut with this. Here we go. All right, so you know how sometimes you get little surveys sent to you from these manufacturers of different things? Well, I do, because I'm a photographer. That's, you know, pretty standard. And I got one from Zhiyun I have the Crane 2. You just click the link up here to watch my review of the Crane 2 by Zhiyun. Anyway, so I answered a survey, and guess what? I won this. Pretty sweet, right? Pretty excited about this one. Now, you know I have the DJI Mobile 2, right? So we're gonna probably be doing a comparison video. What do you think? Give me a like, say it in the comments below if you want to see a comparison between this guy and the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Oh, this is pretty nice. It has a kind of a, you know, a hard foam, but it has a really cool texture to it. I like. There you go. Pretty nice. I like the way it looks. Oh, it came with a quick start guide. You got to download an app, obviously, but here's the cable you connect with. It's a USB-C cable. Here is, oh, that's a very nice tripod stand for it. The Crane 2 also came with a stand, and I really like that. And this one's really nice as well. Really decently robust. Wow, this looks excellent. Oh, it's quite nice in the hand. All right, yeah, check that out. Pretty cool, huh? All right, family, let's go take some videos and see what this thing can do.